guys, it's Mandy from Consumer, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video. One of the last videos that we did it on the air purifier that we use in our room, and that is the Winix Air Purifier. In today's video, I am going to show you guys the air purifier that we got for our son's room. Last year, he had a cough that lasted about 3 or 4 months. To this day, we still have no idea what caused the cough, but we were desperate to try to find something to relieve his cough. We decided to pick up an air purifier for his room to see if it helped, and we definitely feel that it did. So this is what today's video is on. I'm going to be showing you an up-close view of this air purifier. The air purifier we're going to be talking about today is the InvisiClean Aura Air Filter. And if you're interested in checking this air filter out, I will have links in the description below. Some of you may ask, what is the secret of clean air? And the answer really is power. The more powerful your air purifier, the more air it can cycle through, and the faster it can clean and sanitize your indoor air. That is why your InvisiClean Aura Air Purifier features a gusty DC motor, much stronger than the AC motors used in most other air cleaners. It delivers 170 cubic feet of purified air per minute, double the output of other models in its class, yet it uses up to 82% less energy. You know, it really is amazing at how powerful this air purifier is because it is so compact and tiny. So let me show you the dimensions of this air purifier. It is 12.34 by 6.25 by 17.75 inches, and it only weighs 8.9 pounds. Even though this purifier is small and compact, it clears the air for up to 319 square feet of living space. It also has 4 speeds. It has low, medium, high, and turbo. When the purifier is on low speed, it is whisper quiet. And I have to say it really is. You can barely hear that it's on if you have it on low. And for maximum air cleaning, you're definitely going to want to have it on the turbo mode. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at the control panel for this purifier. As you can see here, the first button is going to be the power button. So right after the power button, you have the sleep mode. Once you press the sleep mode, there's going to be dots that are going to blink. Once they're done blinking, this mode turns off all the lights of the setting. The purifier is completely dark for nighttime when you want to sleep. Next, we have the fan speed. This is where you select your low, medium, high, or turbo fan powers. Next is the UV light and ionizer button. You can select one or both of these options. The last button you see is the timer button, and here you can select 2, 4, or 8 hours. And if you have none of them selected, your air purifier will just continue to run. Okay, so now I want to talk to you about what's really going on inside this air purifier. Inside the air purifier, it has 4 levels of air cleaning. After I'm done going through the 4 levels of the air cleaning, I'm going to open up the air purifier and let you take a closer look at the actual filters. So first, let's talk about the charcoal pre-filter. This filter captures large particles, such as maybe dust or hair, and it absorbs odors from pets, from cooking, if someone's smoking in the house, and so much more. Then let's go ahead and talk about the true HEPA filter. Now this filter captures up to 99.97% of the airborne particles and reduces dust in the air. It also reduces allergens, pet dander, mold spores, and pollen. This air filter also has a UVC light, and that helps kill germs, bacteria, and viruses. And then you have the ionizer, and that reduces the airborne dust and particles for fresh, clean air. So let's go ahead and open this air filter up so you can actually see what the inside looks like. First, we're going to take off the front of the filter, and this is really easy to do. The first filter we are going to see is the activated charcoal filter. Now this filter is actually Velcroed to the frame of the true HEPA filter. Now let me move it up close to the camera for you so you can take a closer look at that. And then the next filter, like I said, is the true HEPA filter. Now let's take a look at the left-hand side, and that is going to be your UVC light. And then in the middle, you see where your fan is, and your ionizer is actually located in there. So when you go to put everything back together with this filter, you need to make sure everything is back in place where it's supposed to go, and the front cover is on tight. If anything is not exactly where it needs to be, your filter is not going to turn on. So this is going to finish up our video on the InvisiClean Aura Air Purifier. This air purifier really is great for so many different reasons. You know, if you have pets or you have a smoker in the home, or you want to get rid of, I don't know, germs, dust, mold, whatever your reason is for an air purifier, this is going to help the situation. We are so glad that we decided to purchase this air purifier for our son's room. And if you guys are interested in taking a look at this purifier, I will put the links down in the description below. Now, clicking those links, you help us to be able to make more videos for you guys. And if you did find this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to the Consumer. We would really appreciate it. And if you have any questions about this air purifier, please leave it in the comments below. We will do our best to answer those for you. And if you do have this air purifier, also comment down below and let us know what you think about it, if you're as happy with it as we are. And that's going to do it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.